Now the sixth example in the question number 2 in the exercise 6.3. Here solve the following differential equation. It is a dy by dx is equal to minus k, where k is a constant. Now, here's the simple example. Given differential equation is, it is dy by dx is equal to minus k. Now, first separate the differential coefficient. It is a minus k dx. Okay. Now, here is only constant. Okay. So separate dy and dx and taking integral on both sides. K is a constant, and then integral of 1, that is integral of dy, it is a y, is equal to minus kx and plus c is general solution of given differential equation. Okay. Now we see the next example, example number 7. Example number 7, cos square y upon x dy plus cos square x dx upon y is equal to 0. Here it is a given differential equation. Therefore, you can write it is cos square y dy upon x plus cos square x dx upon y is equal to 0. First separate the differential coefficient. We can take this in the RHS. Therefore we get cos square y upon x dy is equal to minus cos square x upon y dx. Here the differential coefficient are separated. Now this y we can write here and this x we can write here. Therefore it is y into cos square y dy is equal to minus x into cos square x dx. Now variables are the separated, taking integral on both sides, and therefore integral of y into cos square y dy is equal to minus integral of x into cos square x dx. Now first we integrate these two functions, y into cos square y and x into cos square x. Now here to find the integral, here we use the integration by parts, x into cos square x, integration by parts, and here both functions are the same, the variables are the different. So we solve any one out of this and write the similarly integral of the function. Here we solve this and write similarly for the y into cos square y. Okay. Now see carefully, we can solve this. Therefore for the solution it is minus integral of x into, it is a cos square. For the integration by parts, here it is a first function and it is a second function. It is u and it is v. In the integration by parts, there is a integral of u into v, phi into integral of phi, phi into integral of phi, minus, sorry, u into integral of phi, minus integral of derivative of u into integral of phi. Okay, it is a integration by parts, u into integral of phi, and here it is a v. So first find the integral of phi, that is integral of cos square. And we know that to find the integral of sine square, cos square, tan square, cot square, or sine cube or cos cube, we use first the formula, trigonometric formula for this cos square. And here trigonometric formula for the cos square, it is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. It is a trigonometric formula for the cos square. Now here we can take this 2 outside. It is 1 by 2 into x plus x into cos 2x dx. Now we separated here this minus as it is. Okay, you can write here. It is minus 1 by 2, okay, into integral of x dx plus integral of x into cos 2x dx. Here we separate this x into, it is x plus x into cos 2x. It is x and it is x into cos 2x. Here the integral of x we can directly write. It is minus 1 by 2. Integral of x, it is a x square by 2 plus the integral of this term. It is u into v. First as it is, that is u into integral of v, that is cos 2x dx, minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v and dx. Here it is integral of x and it is integral of u into v. Okay, here it is a plus, so there is no need to take the bracket. And then here integral of, it is y into cos square y dy. This is equal to, it is minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus x into integral of this cos 2x. It is sin 2x upon 2. Integral of cos 2x, it is a sin 2x upon 2 minus derivative of, here integral of derivative of x, it is 1, and integral of it is sin 2x upon 2 dx. Okay, here derivative of x, it is 1, and here it is integral of cos 2x, it is sin 2x upon 2. Now here we can write this. It is a minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus x by 2 into sin 2x x by 2 minus, see carefully, it is minus, and here it is a 1 by 2 as it is, this 1 by 2, and integral of sin 2x, the integral of sin 2x, it is a minus cos 2x upon 2. Here it is an integral. Okay, and now here it is minus as it is, we can write x square by 4, this 1 by 2, take the multiplier, plus x by 2 sin 2x, this 2 to 4, and it is 2, it is a plus 1 by 8 cos 2x. It is an integral of this x into cos square x. See carefully this. It is integral of x into cos square x. Now the integral of y into cos square y is same. Okay, but here only the minus, and therefore we can write. See carefully. The y into cos square y, integral of y into cos square y is this. It is y square upon 4 plus y by 2 sin 2y plus 1 by 8 cos 2y. It is integral of y into cos square y is equal to this minus. Okay, here x square by 4, okay, plus x by 2 sin 2x and plus 1 by 8 cos 2x and plus c. here is the general solution of this differential equation. Now here we multiply throughout by 8. Okay, so the denominator will be get cancelled. Okay, see carefully this. You can write this. It is y square by 4 plus y by 2 sin 2x plus it is 1 by 8 cos 2y plus this bracket we can take in the LHS. It is minus, now here it is a plus, x square by 2 plus x by 2 sin x. Okay, here you can write this in the below. Here it is plus x square by 4 plus x by 2 sin 2x plus 1 by 8 cos 2x and is equal to this c only. Now throughout multiplying by 8, when we multiply by 8 here, it is y square, sorry, it is 2y square plus here it is a 4y sin 2y and plus it is cos 2y. Okay, we multiply by 8. Here we multiply by 8, here 2. When multiply here 4, 8 cancel. Again here multiply by, it is x square by 4. Therefore 2x square plus 4x sin 2x and here it is plus cos 2x is equal to 8c. Okay, and now the last answer. Here 2x square and it is 2y square. We can write it is 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x sin 2x and plus 4y sin 2y. Okay, it is 2x square 2y square, this 4 sin 2x 4y sin 2y and last term cos 2x plus cos 2y, cos 2x plus cos 2y and is equal to c. Okay, here 8c, c is arbitrary constant, 8c is also arbitrary constant, therefore we can write this c and therefore it is 8c is equal to c. Okay, here it is arbitrary constant and here is the general solution of this differential equation. Carefully पहा, इथे u इंटू व्ही न इंटिग्रेशन काढले, पण दोन्ही फंक्शन सारखेच असल्यामुळे फक्त एकाच फंक्शनचं इंटिग्रेशन काढलं आणि सिमिलरली हेच इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स काढलं होतं, हेच विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय, हे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स हेच ॲज इट इज लिहिले. ओके, अँड देन इज द जनरल सोल्युशन. फक्त आता याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन हे डिनोमिनेटरमधले 8 काढून टाकले थ्रूआउट मल्टिप्लाइंग बाय 8 आणि सिम्पली ॲडजस्टमेंट. ओके, हे झालं तुमचं जनरल सोल्युशन. ओके, केअरफुली पहा. नाव याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट example number 8. Y cube minus dy by dx is equal to x square dy by dx. Now here the given differential equation y cube minus dy by dx is equal to x square dy by dx. Okay, here dy by dx and here it is dy by dx. Collect this, it is y square is equal to x square dy by dx plus dy by dx. Okay, this minus dy by dx becomes in the RHS. Therefore y cube here. Y cube is equal to x square plus 1 dy by dx. Then this dx, first separate the differential coefficient. Therefore, y cube dx is equal to x square plus 1 dy, and then here it is a 1 upon x square plus 1 dx is equal to 1 upon y cube dy. Now separate the variable. Therefore, taking integral 1 upon x square plus 1 dx is equal to integral of 1 upon y cube dx, taking integral on both sides. Now here integral of 1 upon x square plus 1 dx, it is a standard integral, and here integral of 1 upon y cube, it is y to the power minus 3 dy. Now it is tan inverse x, and here y to the power minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. See carefully this. Then tan inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into y square plus c is general solution of given differential equation. Here is the general solution. See carefully this. Tan inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 2y square plus c. Now the next. Example number 9. Two into e raised to x plus 2y dx minus 3 dy by d, it is dy is equal to 0. Okay. Now the given differential equation, it is a 2 e raised to x plus 2y dx minus 3 dy is equal to 0. Now here minus 3 dy by d here in the RHS, therefore we get it is a 2 e raised to x plus 2y. We can write it is e raised to x into e raised to 2y, e raised to x plus 2y dx is equal to, it is a 3 dy. Okay. Now here it is a dx and it is a dy. So this e raised to 2y becomes in the dy. It is a 2 e raised to x dx is equal to 3 e raised to minus 2y dy. E raised to 2y in the multiplication, here in the division. So we can write it is a minus 2y, e raised to minus 2y. Now these are the separate variable, taking integral on both sides. 2 e raised to x dx is equal to integral of 3 e raised to minus 2y dy. 2 into e raised to x is equal to 3 into e raised to minus 2y upon minus 2 plus c. Here it is the integral, is the general solution of this differential equation. So here we can write, take the calculator, e raised to x is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1 upon e raised to 2y plus c. Okay. Here is the general solution of the differential equation, or we can take this minus 3 by 2 into 1 upon e raised to 2y in the LHS. Okay, and then take the right last answer. This is also the general solution of the differential equation. Here it is a general solution of the differential equation. Now we take the last example. by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y plus x square into e raised to y. Here the given differential equation dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y plus x square into e raised to y. Okay. Therefore, first separate the differential coefficient. Therefore, it is a dy and dx in the RHS. Therefore, here e raised to x plus y, this can be written e raised to x into e raised to y plus x square into e raised to y, and here dx in the multiple of both. Then dy is equal to, here e raised to y take common, e raised to x plus x square dx. These are the only x, there it is y take the LHS. Therefore, e raised to minus y dy is equal to e raised to x plus x square dx. Now separate the variables, taking integral on both sides. E raised to minus y dy is equal to integral of e raised to x plus x square dx. Then integral of e raised to minus y upon minus 1 is equal to e raised to x in plus x cube upon 3 plus c here, and then it is minus 1 upon e raised to y plus, sorry, it is equal to, it is minus 1 and e raised to minus y, it is minus 1 upon e raised to y, e raised to x plus x cube upon 3 plus c is general solution of this differential equation. See carefully, this is the calculation. Last we can write is the general solution of the differential equation. See carefully.